Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to Lato's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make authentic masala tea. Now, milk being one of the most important ingredients, I'll be using Lato whole milk to make the tea creamy and rich. For the ingredients, we will need the whole cinnamon sticks, cardamom, ginger, cloves, black pepper. The tea leaves, we need it as well. I'm making 2 cups of tea, but I'll start with 1.5 cups of water. And to finish it all off, it's 1 cup of Lato milk. Remember, we are making 2 cups of tea and we have 1.5 cups of water, and we'll use 1 cup of Lato milk. That 1/2 cup extra of water will help during the evaporation and steaming of this tea. So we're adding 1/2 teaspoon of each, so that's cardamom, that's cloves, cinnamon, black pepper, and whole ginger. The infusion will happen whereby all the spices are infusing into the water. So we'll wait for it to start boiling, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, you can already smell the aroma of the spices. Very nice. And at this stage, I'll remove them. Because we don't want it to be too strong. But again, it's also up to you, up to somebody's taste. I'll now add tea leaves. For 2 cups of tea, we'll add 1 teaspoon of tea leaves. And I'll now wait for the tea leaves to cook about for a minute while it's simmering, and then I'll add the Lato milk. Now it's been about 2 minutes. The water is simmering. I'll add the milk. So again, it's 1 cup, and let it to simmer for about 1 minute, and then you'll serve your tea. So our masala tea is ready. Today I'm serving it with cake, but you can serve it with whatever accompaniment that you have or you like. And until next time, goodbye.